Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to play Microsoft Store games offline on Windows 10 or Windows 11. I show you guys how to do it. Go to search menu and type Store. Comes up Microsoft Store, click on open it. Select the profile icon. If you're not signed in, then you just need to sign in to your Microsoft account guys. After that, select settings. Offline permissions make this PC the one I use to run some games or apps that have limited license. Even when I am offline, just turn it on. And now you just need to close stuff here. And that's how you can play Microsoft Store games offline on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.